Customizing the header and navigation. To begin customizing your website's header and navigation, you must enter the theme customizer. You can access it through WordPress dashboard, but there is an easier method. Open your website and hover your mouse on this icon next to the website name and click Theme Customizer. Now click on Header and Navigation section. There are different options to manage header and navigation here. Let's begin with header format. Click on Header Format. Here you can adjust your header's general format, such as switching between the main layouts modes. We have default, centered, centered inline logo, slide in, and full screen. I will choose default layout. Here you can enable vertical navigation, to make navigation vertically. When done, click on this back icon to return to the main menu. Next one is primary menu bar. This is the large bar at the top of your page that contains your logo and your primary menu links. Within this panel you can do a lot of things very easily. For example, change menu height, change logo size, text size, maybe changing background color. I like to change it to black. OK, back to main menu. Next option is secondary menu bar. The secondary menu bar appears above your main navigation bar. This menu will not appear unless you have assigned a menu to the secondary menu location, or in Divi you can show telephone number, email and social media icon on secondary menu. Same as primary menu, here you can customize appearance of secondary menu. At the moment it is in purple and I am happy with it, so let's back to the main menu. Fixed navigation. The fixed navigation bar refers to the navigation bar as it becomes fixed to the top of your screen when you scroll. Within the fixed navigation panel, you can adjust the height of the menu, the color of the menu and the menu links, independently from the menu's non-fixed state. You can hide the logo in fixed menu from here. Let's change background color. I like to set the primary menu in purple and secondary in black, so when scrolling it seems that primary and fixed menus are switching colors. Go back to the main menu. Last one is header elements. In header elements, you can show optional things in your navigation bar such as your social follow icons and search icon. Each can be toggled on and off here. Let's enable them. You can add phone number and email here. I have already added them. When you have done all changes, hit the Publish button and close the customizer. Here is the final look.